Hello guys, today I've got the PROTRACK Audible Altimeter and I'm going to show you the quick unbox of this device. So here I've got my knife and here we've got the tapes, so let's get started. I need to be very careful because it's not mine, but we'll go through it easy. Here we've got our altimeter itself with a foil on it on the screen. Here we can put our battery inside. I guess so. Yes, we can. Here we've got some accessories, as you can see, which are optional manual and some important notice. Please read the following. Your new altimeter is a digital electronic device. So here we've got the recommendations, what it is, and that it won't function without the battery. And some small user manual, which is this thing over here. And here we've got the warning that this has only 2 years warranty. Here we've got straps, I think so. This is the altimeter tool, and it's designed specifically for safety. Pressing the resist to reset or programming buttons on the back of the altimeter without scratching the casing. So just a simple screwdriver. We can name it as it is. Here we've got, as you can see, sticker, all the altimeters, and paper logi. I can actually put it back. And here we've got important safety product information. Here we've got QR code that it will lead us to the website, and the second page is roadmap, which is, as you can see, let me show you what it is. Here we've got main windows in our device, access, how to access it, and some piece of information. So that's it. Goodbye.